Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto. And first of all, we will know what is Cloudflare and why it is so important. So first of all, we have to go to Cloudflare. I'm searching Cloudflare and Cloudflare. So Cloudflare is a global network designed to make everything you connect to the internet secure, private, fast, and reliable. So secure your website, APIs, and internet applications, etc. Protect corporate networks, employees, and devices. Write and deploy code that runs on your network edge. And Cloudflare stops brute force attacks and hacking attempts, etc. So Cloudflare filters out most of the spam attacks and name server level, and such requests don't even hit your server. It protects your website from DDoS attacks and SQL injections and some common spam. These Cloudflare provides a secure environment for your website. And now the question is, do you really need Cloudflare? While it may have a few cons as described above, and this service is still a great option and even cheaper than Maxidian. So overall, Cloudflare is worth trying it, and you need to optimize page loads times on a content delivery network that doesn't compromise your website security or cost you a fortune. So basically, Cloudflare is completely free and worth it. The medium to manage your domains, and they have pro and some business packages. But I don't require though that they're providing most of the services free along with the SSL. And now you may think what SSL is. In brief, an SSL certificate is a digital certificate that authenticates a website identity and enables an encrypted connection. SSL stand for Secure Sockets Layer, and in few words, you can say SSL is what that provides security for online communications. And SSL is must required. Either your viewers will see such an secure sign over there in the address bar. And without wasting time, let's see the complete setup and how you can put SSL certificate in your website. So this is my website, that mojannews.in, and now it's showing not secure. So it's now lack of SSL certificate, and I have to go proceed and saying that is unsafe. So SSL certificate makes it safe. And look at this address bar. HTTPS is not available there. So I have to put my SSL certificate in my website. Let's get started. So this is Cloudflare. If you want to know more about Cloudflare, you can search here why Cloudflare solutions, product, documentation, pricing. So in case of pricing, we will use the free plan. So first of all, you have to sign up here. Uh, you have to fill up some forms like these, email and password, not more than like this. And I have already an account, so I have to log in there. So I'm logging in. Now you have to add your website here. So I'm adding my site. Accelerate and protect your site with Cloudflare. Here are some plans. So I have to use that free plans and continue. I'm selecting free and continue. Now they are reviewing my DNS record, domain records, where my domain is registered. And here it is showing some type, names, content. So I have nothing to do here. I have to continue. So here is the main part. Determine your registrant via who is. Uh, I have registered via other name servers in Namecheap. So here you have to log in administrator account for your domain register. I have my domain registered in Namecheap. So here I did log into my Namecheap account, and this is my domain, and I have to collect my uh, I have to put these name servers, that is korioka.ns.cloudflare.com. So I have to copy it, and here in domain list I have to manage, and here in name server web hosting DNS I have to put custom DNS and name servers. So I have to put those two name servers here. I have copied it, and I've copied it too. So some providers have their four name servers, but here in Cloudflare we have finding two. So I have added those name servers here and save it. So this process takes not more than 24 hours, and it can be happen within time. And now here in name server I have to click done and check name servers. Configure recommendation, they are uh, recommending some configuration where I have to apply for HTTPS for these SSL, means SSL certificate. So apply recommendation, applying. Enable auto minify. So if you can leave it here or apply, they will just minify your some JavaScript and CSS and HTML source code on your website to their website. So I am applying recommendation. Now to exit, go to overview page, and now checking name servers. Is it okay or not? They're checking name servers for promotion news, and it will take a few hours for an update. So Cloudflare is checking the name servers for mojanews.in. Please wait a few hours for an update. So for an early update, you can check these like DNS checker. So you can put your URL here in section NA's name servers and keep it 5. Search. So check dns.namechip.hosting.com. So it's not changed yet. I have to wait for maximum 24 hours.
A few moments later.
So after a couple of minutes I am rechecking and searching, there you see it's started changing their name servers, like here in cloudflare.com, and some servers are changing. So I have to wait for some times more. I can check over here. Great news, Cloudflare is now protecting your site. So here in DNS checker I can see some servers are changing their name servers. So I have to recheck my website, and it also showing not secure right now. It will change and will take 24 hours maximum. So that's for today, and for more updates like this you may subscribe my channel, and bye bye.